Do you know why compounding is called eighth wonder of the world? Let's understand this with help of an example. Suppose you invested 1000 rupees. By end of the year at 20% per annum, it will be giving you a profit of 200 rupees. The following year, say you invested this 1000 as well as this 200. By end of the second year, it will give you a profit of 200 on the 1000 and the profit of 40 on 200. The following year, say you invested the 1000 and you invested the profit of 200 from the first year, and you also invested 240 rupees from the profit of the second year. At the end of this year, the third year, you will be getting a profit of 200 on 1000, a profit of 40 on 200, and a profit of 48 on 240. If you actually understand this example, it was only this 1000 that you invested from your pocket, and apart from that, you only invested the profits that you got every year. Due to this, first year your profit was 200, second year your profit increased to 240, and third year your profit increased to 288. By doing this continuously, at end of year 10, your 1000 will become 6192. By end of 20th year, the same 1000 will become 38,338. And at the end of 30th year, it will become 2,37,376. And I am not lying, you can do the math. I only showed you the example for 3 years, but you can continue this for the 30th year. And when you add all the profits, you shall arrive at 2,37,376. And it was only the 1000 rupees, a small investment of 1000 rupees, that made it 2,37,000 by end of year 30th. This can also be understood by Dominos effect. Just like how a small domino is able to push the larger dominoes to an extent that domino, which is many times bigger than the first and the smallest domino, will fall down. Practically understanding this, a domino which is just 2 inch tall, by pushing the other dominoes, will be able to push the Leaning Tower of Pisa on 18th attempt and the Paris Eiffel Tower in the 23rd attempt. Not only that, but the 31st domino will be able to size down the Mount Everest, and the 57th domino will be almost the distance of the moon. This is the reason why Albert Einstein says, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Thank you for watching.